I'm always on the hunt for the perfect sauce, the one that doesn't just sit in the back of the refrigerator, but actually makes it to the table every single night. Well, the team over at the Sauce Guys sent me a couple of bottles of their pineapple sensation to try out, and I think we found a contender. Before we get into the taste test, I want to highlight the people behind the bottle. This video is sponsored by the Sauce Guys, and honestly, it's a brand I'm proud to partner with. They are a Veteran and U.S. owned business. You can really feel the dedication to quality in the product. They don't mass produce factory runs. Everything is made in small batches. When you go small batch, you get consistency and depth of flavor that big corporations just cannot replicate. So let's talk about the sensation part of the name. If you're worried about blowing your palate out with pure heat, don't be. This is a beautiful balance of sweet and savory. Right up front, you get that bright tropical hit of pineapple. It's fresh, not syrupy. But then the savory notes kick in. It's got that wonderful complexity that rounds out the sweetness. And the heat, it's what I like to call approachable heat. It gives you a nice little hint of kick at the end, but is perfectly acceptable for any palate. Whether you're a spicy fanatic or someone who usually reaches for the mild sauce, you're going to enjoy the layers here without needing a gallon of milk on standby. Now, because I want you guys to experience this for yourself, I have an extra bottle right here to give away to one of you. The Sauce Guys were kind enough to let me share the love. To enter, it's super simple. Just drop a comment below and tell me what you would try this sauce on first. Are you thinking pulled pork, grilled shrimp, maybe drizzling over pepperoni pizza? I'll be reading through the comments and picking a winner soon, so get those ideas in. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway and want to grab a bottle or 3 right now, I have an affiliate link in the description box below. Using that link really helps support the channel, and it gets some top-tier veteran-made sauce into your kitchen. A huge thanks again to the Sauce Guys for sponsoring today's video and for making a sauce that actually lives up to the hype.